How to change the size and style of the clock widget that appears on your lock screen. And this is for the Galaxy A16 phone with One UI 7.0. If you're currently on the lock screen view mode here, you can always long press on the lock screen like this here until this pops up like that. And if you don't have a lock screen security set up, you'll be able to access these here and tap on the time widget and adjust it. Now, if this is not the case, you'll want to go ahead and unlock your phone. And when you unlock your phone, go ahead and long press a blank area on the home screen like this here. Then you'll see wallpaper here. So go to this. And once you're in this area, this will show up and you'll tap on the one on the left side here. So that one right there. And once you're there, go ahead and tap on the time widget there. And you'll be able to choose the different style of text for the numbers. And on top of that, you get to choose the color of the text here by selecting one of these here. And it's really just up to you to make that decision. Now, on top of that here, you get to choose the style. So the style basically is the time here, the clock widget itself. So you got this one here, that one, or this one here, and a few more others that you might find interesting for yourself, okay? And of course, you have the show weather information, and you also have the show the date above. So you can choose to have the date show on top, or you can have it just shown underneath the time, and it's really just up to you to make those decisions. And once you're done with all the changes, you just press done here and it'll save for you, and that should be like your new lock screen clock time widget. Okay, of course you want to pick something that stands out more than what you see here, like instead of